Hi, my name is David Volk. I'm a San Antonio personal injury lawyer, and I wanted to talk to you about why it's important to get a lawyer on your case right away. I've been contacted by hundreds of people a year. Some of the cases we can definitely help with and we can take on, and some we can't. And one of the deciding factors is how much contact the client may or may not have had with the insurance company. Here's what I mean. So we've had people call us a year and a half after an accident, where they have opened the claim themselves, they've done their, they've put together their own case, they've submitted it to the adjuster, and the adjuster gives them a very low offer or denies their claim. And the reason for that, I think people have this misconception that insurance companies are only there to help people. I'm not saying anything bad about the insurance business or how insurance companies work. But when you see an ad on TV from Allstate, you're in good hands. They're a business, and their job is to make money, and they provide a service, which is insurance. Now, the way that a company like that is profitable is to discount or deny as many claims as possible. Now, how do they do that? Well, they do that on a case-by-case basis. So if your injury is worth $10,000 and they pay you $2,000, they've added money to their bottom line. Now, insurance companies are notorious for lowballing and offering very low settlements on unrepresented, what we call pro se plaintiffs, or people representing themselves. The reason being is, without an attorney, the insurance company doesn't feel the threat of legal action. I can give you a very personal story. My wife got injured in 2015. I called the insurance company as husband David Volk, and I called and I tried to get the claim going. I was put on hold. They would refer me over to different teams of adjusters, not even an individual person. The phone would ring. I'd have to call back. I'd leave a message. They would call me, when I was unavailable. It was a nightmare. I then sent a letter of representation as a San Antonio personal injury lawyer, David Volk, and I got someone on the phone right away. The difference between being unrepresented by a lawyer and having an attorney is the insurance company will immediately reassign your claim to a higher level adjuster if there's an attorney. The reason being is they know that they're going to be dealing with a more sophisticated strategy and a more concise plan of attack, and that their actions are going to be under scrutiny if they make a wrong move, or if they ignore, or if they neglect a claim. So I can tell you, having an attorney will bring more attention to your claim in a positive way. Now, one of the things I've also seen is that insurance companies will offer people money right away for an accident without really any documentation. They'll call somebody, say you were hurt, we're responsible, we're going to take care of the damages for your car. And how are you feeling? And the person may tell them, my neck really hurts. I'm having trouble, rotating my neck, and I think I might go to the emergency room. And they'll say, okay, well, look, you can do what you want, but I'm authorized to offer you a check for $500 right now. I can put it in the mail today. We just need you to sign a piece of paper. And some people, unfortunately, have gone for that. They say, okay, well, they're going to give me $500, and then I'm going to go to the doctor, and maybe I could take it up with them later. And the truth is, once they have paid you an injury settlement and they have you sign a release, you can't go back, even if the injury is more severe. So a lot of times they'll offer you a small amount of money to make you go away. Some people, unfortunately, end up getting duped into doing that. So regardless, whether it's our firm or another San Antonio personal injury law firm, you basically can contact an attorney and get, for most firms, a free initial consultation. Take advantage of that, because an attorney like me will go over your options with you, and we can tell you what we have to offer. The other benefit of having us represent you is we don't charge any money down. We take the case on what's called a contingent fee. It's based on the outcome. So unless we get a settlement or a judgment in your favor, we don't get anything. So it's not like if you had a criminal case or a family law case where you have to put some money together as a retainer. it's totally different. We only get paid at the end of the case if the case settles with your approval. So at the end of the day, you can't trust the insurance company to do the right thing. There wouldn't be the need for so many lawyers out there if the insurance company always did the right thing. Remember, their goal is their bottom line. Our goal is to get as much money in your pocket and to compensate you for your injuries, your pain and suffering, your lost wages, and any other damages that are available in your case. Now, I've said a lot. If you've been injured, please call us at 210-377-1414 or find us online at lawyer210.com.